Hey guys, welcome back to So Much to Wear. If you've been watching this channel, you know I make a part-time job out of selling things online that I find at the thrift stores or secondhand shops and getting a little bit of profit out of that and also getting them into the hands of people that really want them. Well, today's video is going to be similar but a little bit different. I'm actually going to be talking about things that you already have in your house that you have no idea are worth money, and I had no idea about this either until very recently. Did you know that people actually buy discontinued perfumes and lotions online for a lot of money, especially if they're a rare, hard to find scent? I think it has something to do with the fact that people just really get familiar with scents and then they associate them with memories. And obviously when they're discontinued, they can't buy them at the store anymore. So they look on places like eBay. Well, I have a special treat for you today because I am actually at my parents' house. And my mom has had a little bit of a problem over the years. This is her Bath and Body Works stash. Knowing that this has been her hobby for a long time, when I saw that people were actually selling stuff just like this on eBay for a significant amount of money, I knew that when I came home, I was going to be looking up some of this stuff and telling her how much it's worth. And I'm going to help my parents put it on eBay and see if anything sells. We're going to make this an experience. We'll see how it works. And I'll let you guys know at the end what sold, how much money she made, and if selling old perfumes and lotions could be your ticket to getting a lot of cash. Okay, so Mom's here. Mom, you guys tell us a little about your Bath and Body Works collection. How did we get to this point?
I've probably been doing this for like 20 years. And every January when they have their big annual sale, then I always wait for the right coupon to come out, like the buy $40 and get $10 off.
How long do you think you've had some of this stuff? Like this stuff, you told me this is the older box. How long do you think you've had this velvet body cream?
That could be at least 20 years, and that was one of the first things that I got, my favorite one, so that could be 25 years.
What was your plan with it?
Unbelievably, I expected to give it away or use it up myself before I died.
But Mom, if you keep going to Bath and Body Works, you'll never use it up.
Right.
Is somebody out there is looking for this stuff, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So here's the plan of what I'm going to do with all of this next. I have eBay pulled up on my laptop, so I'm just going to go and look through comps. I'll share my screen with you quick to show you how I'm doing that if you've got something like this at home, and then I'm going to surprise my mom at the end with some of the higher comps and just show them really quick, help them get them listed before I go back home. So the first one I'm looking up is a Bath and Body Works Mandarin hand soap with nourishing olive oil. I did find one other that's listed up on eBay right now, and check it out. It's listed for $40. Now let's look on eBay quick. This is more important than what's listed right now, and see if anything has sold. Sold items, completed sales. Let's get the money. Oh, well, we do have a set here that's sold for $30, but it's a set, it's a lotion set. This is definitely something that I will try listing with them. Fall in love with Sicilian Mandarin, beautifully blended with luscious orange and wild iris petals. Hopefully this will get us $20. Now there's some scents that Bath and Body Works is still making right now, like this warm vanilla sugar. Looked this one up, not as good of luck. That's because it's not discontinued, so this one is gonna stay in Mom's stash for now. And so this brand I know is old, like I said. There's only one other available, exact same thing. It's listed for $30 online. Not bad for a 10-year-old jar of lotion. And look at this, we even have the proof of purchase, the receipts from some of this stuff. Looks like we got a February 24th, 2013 receipt. This was a big purchase. And she got a discount of $71 and paid about $33 for all of this stuff. Okay, so after I did all of that research, here's what I found. This stuff that I'm keeping right here, these all seem like they have a good chance of selling, and selling for a decent amount of money, some more than others. Then I put all this other stuff back in here because they're current scents, or they just don't seem to be selling for as much money at this point. So hey, why not wait around, wait for them to increase in price, and Mom still has Christmas presents for the next 10 years. So Mom, I looked up all of the stuff in the Bath and Body Works bags. Are you ready to see some of the big ones?
Yes.
Okay. Mom, how long ago did you think you got this CO Bigelow body cream?
Maybe 10 years ago.
Well, did you ever think 10 years later we're gonna be sitting outside looking it up on eBay and that it's worth $30?
Whoa!
Look at this. This is a 2 fluid ounce body splash velvet tuberose. I'm not gonna spray it. I don't want to decrease the value, but how much do you think this cost when you bought it?
$2.50 or less.
Well, now I'm going to show you really quick what people are selling. The full size, but it's still, they really want this scent. These are the solds this month. So this is 2 days ago. Somebody sold a full size for $42 plus shipping.
What? Are these people crazy? No.
This one sold a couple weeks ago for $28.99 plus shipping. So after eBay fees, that's going to be like $23 or so for this.
And I'm sure that's another one I paid $3 or less. And I like that scent, but I don't like it that much.
So normally I would put this stuff on a poster board, but because obviously I'm at my parents' house, I don't have that with me. My dad does woodworking projects, so I'm just gonna borrow one of his pieces of wood and use this to take the pictures. It's been about 3 weeks. It's time to get an update on how the discontinued Bath & Body Works products are selling online. So we have them listed on 3 different platforms: eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Surprisingly, Mercari has really come out as the winner here. Almost all of the sales have been on Mercari. The other exciting thing is we have crossed over $100 in total sales in just these 3 short weeks, and we only listed 18 different things, and out of those 18 different items, 5 items have sold, which gives us a sell-through rate of 27% within 3 weeks. Mom and Dad, we've sold 5 things so far. What do you think?
I think that's great. Yes. I'm going, all this crap in my closet's going away one by one.
Do you think this whole thing has been worth it for the money that you're getting out of some of the sales?
Oh, I think it is.
Yeah, I'd say it's worth it, but I don't know if do other people want to keep this stuff in their closet for 5 years before they see any money.
It's interesting. So let's say somebody does have it in their house. They have a lot of it and they can't work, or they lost their job. They probably wouldn't even think, I can put this on eBay and make, you know, a little extra money that maybe I'll be able to buy food this month with that. I don't know.
Well, like I said, I mean, basically, I'm really surprised some of the prices that people are buying this, you know, that what we paid for it, what they're buying it for now, it just sort of, wow.
Well, it makes me wonder, because I used up some old stuff and I'm going, geez, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I should check. Now I need to start checking out what the price is, what it's going for before I open a new bottle of something. Like how many times have you accused me of having the whole store in our closet?
Now it is a store.
Put it this way, I never thought that she was stocking up to do this. She didn't tell me that.
Now we've got 5 sales down. Has this changed anything about what you thought about your large stock of Bath and Body Works, Mom?
Let's put it this way. When I go shopping at the next sale, I'm going to be looking at things differently. Like I'm going to be one of the first ones at the sale and look for stuff that's like only one of a kind, and ask questions about, well, what's the recent things that were retired. And
So I'm excited to say, taking out the shipping costs, the platform fees, we have made about $75 from these 5 different transactions. So that's $75 that my parents definitely did not have in their pockets before, but now they have, thanks to platforms like Mercari, Poshmark, and eBay. And I'm sure you want to know, what did people buy? What were the popular products? And how much money did you actually get from those products? Well, let's take a look at that. So this rare velvet tuberose smell, this is only a 2-ounce body spray. Somebody bought this for $21. And I do know that this was a discontinued scent, one of the older items that my mom had in her closet. Another seller was this Footloose and Fancy Bath & Body Works foot scrub. This sold for $18 shipped. Our most recent and most successful sale was also on a product that I recognized as being in my mom's closet for a long time. It was this C.O. Bigelow Lemon and Pomegranate Lotion. Somebody spent $30 on this lotion shipped. So we will be making about $22 just off of this old jar of lotion that was sitting in my mom's closet. Another great sale was this Bath & Body Works Retired P.S. I Love You Body Butter. This scent is very popular online from what I could tell, and this was the first one of our items that actually sold. The Bath & Body Works Ocean Men's 2-in-1 Body Wash. I believe this actually is still available on Bath & Body Works website, which was interesting to me, but I also know that the guy that bought this had an address in Alaska, so maybe he's not able to get it there and he wanted to buy it through Poshmark. One important thing I learned while going through this process is all of the platforms are a little bit different on what they will accept when you're selling Bath & Body Works type toiletry products. For one, Mercari is the only one of these 3 that allows you to sell products that have been used. So if you have like a body spray that's discontinued and you used half of it, it might shock you, but somebody might still actually buy that, and you can sell that without getting in trouble on Mercari. Because it's the body spray, you're going to want to send it ground shipping, which will be a little bit more expensive. I use Pirate Ship to do that if you're curious. In the future, I can do a more in-depth video about exactly how we shipped these items. So if you want to see that, definitely comment down below any other questions that you might have, and subscribe to my channel so when I do make that video, you don't miss it. If you watch this video and you were shocked about the fact that these old body creams and sprays have sold for decent money online, you might also be shocked by the fact that I make a lot of money as a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari selling not old, but pre-owned shoes that have been lightly worn. That is the bulk of my profit, and I have a whole video that I want you to watch about running shoes that you should be on the lookout for. I'm going to put a link to that up here, and then I also have another video that explains just how much money I've made from my best sales. If you're wondering, hey, what else is out there to resell, or this video inspired you to start looking through your old closet or your parents' old closet, or somebody else that you know, because you never know what you can do with all of this stuff. It does not need to go to the landfill. It might be one man's trash, but another man's treasure. Thanks for watching.